Imagine a world where AI systems are not only intelligent, but also decentralized and open source. This is the reality we're heading towards with Web3 AI integration. The concept of decentralized AI is not new, but its integration with artificial intelligence is transforming the industry in unprecedented ways. The main idea behind Web3 AI is to create a network of interconnected nodes that can process information and make decisions without relying on a central authority. This approach has numerous benefits, including increased security, transparency, and scalability. One of the most significant advantages of Web3 AI is its ability to learn from decentralized data sources. Traditional AI systems are often trained on centralized datasets, which can be biased and limited. In contrast, Web3 AI can tap into the vast amounts of decentralized data available on the blockchain, enabling it to learn and improve continuously. But what does this mean for the future of artificial intelligence? Will Web3 AI integration lead to the creation of more intelligent and autonomous systems? And what implications will this have on our daily lives?
Web3 AI integration is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that's already being implemented in various industries. From finance to healthcare, decentralized AI is being used to create more efficient and secure systems. One of the key players in the Web3 AI space is OpenAI, which has been working on developing decentralized AI models that can be trained on blockchain data. Google AI is also making significant strides in this area, with its recent announcement of a new decentralized AI platform. While the benefits of Web3 AI integration are numerous, there are also concerns about its potential impact on employment and data ownership. As AI systems become more autonomous and decentralized, there's a risk that human workers will be replaced or downgraded. Additionally, the decentralized nature of Web3 AI raises questions about data ownership and control.
The controversy surrounding Web3 AI integration is multifaceted. On one hand, proponents argue that it will lead to greater efficiency, security, and transparency in industries. On the other hand, critics warn that it will exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for decentralized AI to amplify existing biases and prejudices. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they will perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair outcomes. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of Web3 AI makes it difficult to track and address these biases.
Despite the controversy, the future of Web3 AI integration looks bright. As more industries adopt decentralized technologies, we can expect to see significant improvements in efficiency, security, and transparency. One of the most exciting applications of Web3 AI integration is in the field of healthcare. Decentralized AI can help analyze vast amounts of medical data, identify patterns and trends, and provide personalized treatment recommendations.
In conclusion, Web3 AI integration is revolutionizing the future of artificial intelligence. From decentralized data sources to autonomous decision-making, this technology has the potential to transform industries and improve our daily lives. So, what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? First, educate yourself on the basics of Web3 AI integration and its applications. Next, explore the various tools and platforms available for decentralized AI development. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and try out new things. Web3 AI integration is a rapidly evolving field, and the best way to stay ahead is to be proactive and innovative. And that's all for today's episode. If you want to learn more about Web3 AI integration and its implications, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI and technology.